Okay guys, this time we're testing out the new CCI quiets we picked up at the store. We're going to run bolt action CCI, or plain CCI quiets, through the bolt action, followed by a CCI quiet semi-auto out of the bolt to see how it reacts. Then test penetration to make sure it's at least good for rabbits using some water bottles. Followed up by CCI semi-auto and my semi-auto, bolt action out of the semi-auto, and then same test. Let's see how quiet it really is. Okay, that was the bolt action semi-auto. Bolt action quiet, my bad. Alright, semi-auto out of the bolt action. A little bit louder, not bad. Alright, now CCI quiet at water bottles. Alright, now CCI quiet semi-auto out of my Savage Model 64. Don't know if that actually cycled or not. It did, surprisingly. Okay, CCI quiet out of the semi-auto. That's much quieter. Stovepipe. Now versus water bottles. Safety on. Let's go check those out. Somehow I managed to miss that. It traded quite nicely. Can't tell that's gravel or if that's the bullet. That's gravel. Got a CCI semi-auto quiet. Gusher. And completely empty. So we got expansion too.